Hey guys, so today is my first day in YouTube. By the way, mine is a new YouTube channel. It's called Blue Wolf versus Gaming. So today I won't be doing gaming because, well, if I was gonna be doing gaming, I would. Here, let me turn this down. I would be going to some games, but today I just wanted to let you know that, well, I'm new to this YouTube world, and I know it's going to be amazing, and not all of them are going to be about gaming. And so I just want to let you know, because I'm kind of new, so yeah, and I'm really scared because I just don't want to be, I don't really care about like comments or how many viewers I get or likes or dislikes. I just want to have fun on YouTube and hope you guys like my videos. So I really want to make you guys happy. I would do anything for you guys. I love you. I don't think I'm gonna be doing giveaways. I might start doing giveaways, maybe, I don't know. So yeah, and I'm really looking forward to this. So I really want to make you guys happy, and hope you enjoy, guys. Okay, guys, so bye.